up our math lesson. How do we solve a math problem when it says, sorry, how do you solve a math problem when it asks you how much more? If there's a problem that says how much more, Donovan, we're not reading right now. Thank you. How much more is one number than another number? How would we solve that problem? I want you to think, pair, share with your partner. Partner 2 go first, partner 1 goes second. How do you solve a math problem with how much more? Go.
You have to be shoulders to shoulders
Eyes on me in 3, 2, 1. If you have a book in your desk, go ahead and put it away real fast. Put your book away. I heard over here some students were saying, it says how much more you use subtraction. Perfect. How do you subtract? I heard Andres, he was explaining to Mary each step. Andres, what's the first step you do? What would you do first? What do you have to do with your numbers?
take away and then use 2 zeros and turn to n and take away root is turn to an n and then another one turn to an n and turn to an n.
Yeah, so he said you have to line the numbers up, right? Which number goes on top? Matthew?
The big number.
The big number. And then Andres used today's class. He said if you have 2 zeros, you have to go all the way to the very end, past the zeros, and your zeros turn to a 10. And then after you bottom them, they turn to a 9, and you keep going. And then what's the last step? So you see how much more, you know you use subtraction. You set your numbers up, the biggest number on top. You borrow all the way across. What's the final step? Genesis? You subtract, you minus, and find your answer. Awesome job, guys. If you still have your math worksheets, it's okay if you didn't finish checking them.